I'm Craig McLeod from Martin Motorsports in Kelowna, and today we're going to talk about the 2021 Supra SA. Hi, we're going to talk about some of the features of this 2021 Supra SA. This one happens to be all wet. It's January 12th, and we had a customer that wanted to go surfing, and every day is a demo day at Martin Motorsports, so we just got off the water. Some great features of the SA. For a 22.5 foot boat and 3,500 pounds of ballast, is it has lots of storage, starting with storage trunk in the back. You got room for boards, ropes, life vests, lots of space back here. Standard on the Supra boats is the transom camera, and this one also has a camera on the tower, so you got two cameras on this boat. Walking through the SA, you remove the sun pad seat, and you can actually walk through the whole boat from front to back without stepping on any of the upholstery. A great feature of the Supra boats is the flip up backrest for the transom seating. You can sit back here and enjoy the view, enjoy the surf, have a couple of beverages. Lots of storage in the SA. All the ballast is subfloor. Huge compartments in the back, all lined. And you've got hangers for life vests and ropes. Another great feature is the flip seating with the table. Lots of drink holders. You can put out some snacks, not going to go flying around on you. And then you've got seating for two more people to face backwards, a couple of cup holders there. Flip up the port side passenger seat, and now you've got four people sitting facing the back. Lots of drink holders along the sides, on both sides, and more storage behind the driver's seat. So the Supra boats have gator step, and this one has the gray, but you have 11 different choices. Also, we have the cooler in the floor, so you're not constantly asking people to move when you're getting a drink. Battery switch easily located right beside the driver. And your waste bin right in this door right here. New for 2021 is the driver's seat, steering wheel, the throttle, and the windshield, and also the passenger gull-wing seat, all one piece, and it's heated. Heated passenger seat, heated driver's seat. Driver's seat is also electric. You can slide it front to back, up and down. Standard on Supra is the vision control system. You get three touch screens, two at the helm, one at the passenger side, where you can control the lights, the volume, and change the music. At the helm here, you can control your surf system, your speed, your GPS, and your cameras. Also have the wireless phone charger. Thank you for joining me on the walkthrough of the 2021 Supra SA. If you have more questions or you'd like more information on this boat or any of our other models, please contact us at any of our 4 locations. I'm Craig in Kelowna. There's Edmonton, Calgary, and Saskatoon.